So in this video guys, we are going over the latest news about your economic impact payments, also known as the third stimulus check. Both the IRS and the Social Security Administration, and even Direct Express, have given us the latest news about your third stimulus check and when you should expect to get one. So be sure to stay until the end of this video to find out where your stimulus check is at and how you can get it faster and sooner. And also guys, don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you're one of the lucky people that got your third stimulus check without any problems. And don't forget that this Friday, I'll be announcing 2 winners of a free $100 Amazon gift card. And if you would like to enter this free Amazon gift card giveaway, then just subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Now if you receive an EFP card in the mail guys, don't forget to go on efpcard.com. Now the EFP debit cards are being sent on March 13, 2021. According to the IRS, the EFP card is a debit card sent by US mail in a white envelope with the US Department of the Treasury seal and a return address from the Economic Impact Payment Card. The card has the Visa name on the front and the issuing bank, like MetaBank. Now on the website, you're going to have to read the cardholder agreement and fee schedule. You activate your EFP card account, say your 4-digit PIN, and get your balance by calling the 1-800 number.
You may have received an EIP card preloaded with your economic impact payment. Rest assured, it's an easy, secure way to access your money, allowing you to quickly pay online or in person. Your purchases are covered by Visa's zero liability policy, so you'll have peace of mind wherever you shop. And if your card is ever lost or stolen, you can request a new one for free. Remember, your economic impact payment card is a safe way to pay. Just insert or swipe. If you're not sure how much money is on the card, it's easy to check your balance. Just call the number on the back of your card or visit eipcard.com. Access your stimulus payment with confidence. Reach for your economic impact payment card.
And for those of you that have already received a first and second EFP card, from the first and second stimulus check that is, remember that more stimulus payments will be sent via a new credit card. So guys, remember that the EFP card that you have right now will not be reloaded with more stimulus money. The IRS says that they will not add funds to the card that they already issued for a previous payment. When 2021 payments are issued and the IRS does not have account information available to issue you a direct deposit, you will be mailed a check or an EFP card. Now folks, here's how the IRS gets your bank account information, because I see a lot of you guys in the comments saying that you guys have changed banks over the past couple of months. So I want you guys to receive your third stimulus check as soon as possible and as easy as possible. So here's what you have to know. Your bank account information cannot be changed. The bank account information in the Get My Payment tool came from one of the following sources, and that is either your 2020 tax return, your 2019 tax return, information that you entered on your non-filer registration in 2020, information you entered on Get My Payment in 2020, and also the federal agency that provides you with benefits, like the Social Security Administration, Veteran Affairs, or the Railroad Retirement Board. Now if your bank account information is invalid or the account has been closed, the bank will return your payment to the IRS, and then the IRS mails you a check at the address that they have on file. But if you did not file a tax return and you receive SSA, SSI, or VA benefits, and that your Social Security benefits are currently deposited to a Direct Express card, then your 2021 stimulus check will be deposited to that specific card. The bank information shown in the Get My Payment tool will be a number associated with your Direct Express card and maybe a number that you don't recognize. So just keep that in mind folks, and now that you know that, it should be easier for you to get a third stimulus check. Now when you're on the Get My Payment tool on the IRS website, it may show one of 2 messages. If it says payment status, that means your payment has been processed. A payment date is available, and payment is to be sent either by direct deposit or mail. Or you are eligible, but a payment has not been processed and a payment date is not yet available. I know that many of you guys are in need of a third stimulus check, and that's why I'm running an Amazon gift card giveaway. But the truth is that many of you guys are just going to have to be patient with the IRS. They are working on sending out stimulus payments, and the good news is that many people have already received one. Now if it says payment status not available on the Get My Payment display, that means that the IRS has either not processed your payment or you are not eligible for a stimulus check. And if it says need more information, that means the payment was returned to the IRS because the post office was unable to deliver it. To have your payment reissued as a direct deposit, you can provide a routing number and account number for a bank account, prepaid debit card, and other bank information. And for those of you that don't file tax returns, I've seen many comments saying that you guys don't usually file a tax return, and if you can still use the Get My Payment tool to check my payment status. Now folks, here's the answer to that question. Eligible federal benefit recipients who do not usually file a tax return will be able to use the Get My Payment display to check their payment status for their own stimulus check when it has been issued. Now if you are eligible for stimulus checks and have not filed a 2020 return, you still have time to file so you can provide the IRS with the information that is needed to issue a payment to you. Now here's the latest news on Direct Express cards everybody. The The IRS will pay stimulus checks automatically to the existing Direct Express card accounts of most eligible Social Security, Supplemental Security income, like Ssdi, veterans, and Railroad Retirement Board recipients. Now, cardholders who filed a tax return should visit the IRS website for more information on how they can receive their stimulus check. And the good news is that most eligible Social Security, Supplemental Security income, veterans, and Railroad Retirement Board recipients do not need to take any action in order to receive their economic impact payment, also known as stimulus check. Now guys, when I say economic impact payment, this simply means a stimulus check. And the good news is that these payments will automatically be deposited to your Direct Express card account. Cardholders who have qualifying children must take additional steps in order to receive the full payment. Now that's all the news in this video, guys. If any of you found this video useful and helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and give this video a like. Thank you for watching, everybody, and until next time, have a great day and stay safe.
Was unfortunately no surprise. It's what we've come to expect. As China's military and economic might have grown, Beijing has found that the bullying tactics that people call their wolf warrior diplomatic strategy have often worked out for them. So I was glad the U.S. team used the opportunity to cut through the CCP's spin and tell some plain truths about China's regional bullying and disrespect for the rule of law, whether in Hong Kong or Tibet. I'm also glad the administration has sent U.S. personnel to join other diplomats in Beijing to protest the secret trial of Canadian citizen Michael Kovrig. But like I said last week, calling out China rhetorically is just the first step. An effective U.S. strategy will require more than just tough talk and symbolism. The PRC poses all manner of threats to the United States and to the free world. They want to control crucial sea lanes in the South China Sea. They want to expand their capabilities to menace other countries' forces, including ours, with increasingly accurate long-range weapons. They want to rewrite the rules of the international system to suit their interests instead of ours and our friends. These are hard and real challenges. Facing them down will require strength and resolve from the U.S. and from our partners. So like I said last week, if the administration is serious about staying tough on China and strengthening our hand, they'll have support among Senate Republicans. But any such serious strategy will need to start with maintaining and building up the backbone of our hard power, the competitive edge of the U.S. military. To defend America, defend America's interests, and deter adversaries, we need to sustain our military edge. And to sustain our edge, we need to modernize our forces and maintain our capability to project power. Defense spending is the single most important policy level available to us